Hello everyone who found it doing great. Welcome to your Tech channel. If you're new here, welcome, and I'm so happy to see you all once again. In today's episode, I am going to talk about one of the very necessary. It is essential for all of you. What is phishing email? I'm going to talk about what is phishing email with more details. I'm trying to add some more ingredients to see if I can dive into this topic a little bit technical. If that sound is interesting, let's dive into this topic with more details. If you ever receive an email asking you to verify your account or reset the password, you have been target of the phishing attack. But what really happens behind the scenes? Let's break it down. What is phishing email? Phishing is a cyber attack where the phishing email are used to steal the personal information like username, password, and bank details. These emails look like real, but they are trap. Let's get technical. A phishing email works a few steps. Step number one, the first one is email spoofing. Attackers fake the sender orders to look like a trusted brand. They may use look-like domain like Microsoft with the zero instead of O. The second one is payload delivery. The email may contain a link to a fake login page or an attachment with the hidden malware. The third one is harvesting credential or run malware. If you enter your password into the fake site, it is instantly sent to the hackers or to the attackers. If you open an infected file, it could run malware that lock your keystroke or steal data. The fourth one is avoiding detection. Hackers use tricks like a shortened URL or base64 encoding or even HTML form in the email to bypass the spam filters. Phishing is responsible for more than 90% of the successful cyber attack. Business lose billions or trillions of dollars from the stolen credential ransomware every year. Alright, the question is how to protect yourself, right? Here are a few steps to stay safe. Number one is always check the sender email address. Number two is don't click on suspicious link. Number three is use multi-factor authentication. Number four is report phishing attempt to your security team or the email provider. Number five is keep your software and antivirus up to date. Alright, phishing emails are getting smarter, but so can you. Stay alert, stay educated, and never click blindly. If you found this information very informative, the only way to appreciate my work is to simply subscribe, like the video, and don't forget to share this information with your colleagues, with your family, with your friends, and whoever you think that they are not a bit aware of phishing email. Alright guys, I didn't want to eat up your time. I have to go and get a cup of coffee.